welcome to JQCN's TV show number 2. We're going to have a special guest star today, and his name is Noah. Oh, who can that be now?
Who can it be now? Who can it be now?
It's Noah! This special guest star all the way from Los Angeles. Yeah! So, here's our special guest star, Noah. So, Noah, how's being a stuntman? How's business going with that? Awesome. Yeah, pretty good. So, what? I've heard you'd like to be a part of our show. Yeah, I would. Well, you can clean up afterwards. Alright, so our next thing, since you're our special guest star, we'd like to give you a special gift. Now, if you'd accept this nice... Ow! Did that hit a cat? I think it did. Okay then. Now, for the rest of this episode, we're gonna have a special event. Oh, by the way, Noah went to the washroom, so we're gonna have a whole thing of random farting for the rest of the episode. Hope you enjoy it. I wonder where Noah could be. He's been gone for 15 minutes. Might be a really long poop. My goodness. Someone just threw a fish at me. I don't know. Alright, so the weather today sounds like looks like it's really sunny outside. Alright. When I saw the poop, it felt like the magical moment of my life. Yeah, it's nice. Alright, so the weather right now, it's really sunny outside. Birds chirping. It's really nice. Now, I got a joke for y'all today. Okay, why did the belt go to jail? You know this one, don't you? Yeah. Alright, 'cause he held up a pair of pants! Whoa, tough crowd today. Thanks. Hey, so, I'm gonna be going to Merlin's Potion Shop today. I'm excited. I'm gonna get something special because it's my birthday. Yeah, it's his birthday. Now, can we all sing happy birthday to him? Happy birthday. You know what? Let's just... happy birthday, okay? So he's gonna go to the Merlin's Magic Shop and I'm just gonna hang out here. So, we'll see you in a bit, no? Hope you get something nice. See ya. So I hope you enjoyed that JQCN's TV show number 2, and we'll join you next